Are you feeling uncertain about the future of your retirement? With inflation creeping up, banks facing challenges, and the constant economic roller coaster, it's no wonder many retirees are feeling uneasy. And here's the truth. If you don't take action now, your hard-earned savings could be at risk. But there's a solution, and it's one that could replace all that uncertainty with reliability. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your wealth in today's unpredictable world. Let's talk about what's happening right now. Just this week, reports have surfaced that inflation rates are still higher than expected, while banks are struggling to stay afloat with tighter regulations. Meanwhile, your retirement savings are losing value. If you're relying on traditional investment methods like stocks or bonds, you're vulnerable to these financial storms. And if you're nearing or already in retirement, this is more than just an inconvenience. It's a serious risk to your future. Now, let me ask you something. Do you really want to put your retirement in jeopardy, or would you rather make sure it's protected no matter what happens in the economy? The truth is, most people don't realize there's a safer, more reliable way to protect their wealth, especially for those of us who've worked hard to build up retirement savings. The answer? A Gold IRA. Gold has stood the test of time as a reliable store of value, especially when everything else seems unstable. While paper money and stocks can be manipulated by government policies, gold remains constant. When inflation rises or the stock market takes a downturn, gold typically holds or increases its value, giving you peace of mind and security. Here's what you need to know. A gold IRA is not just a luxury for the ultra-wealthy. It's a smart, practical tool that anyone with a retirement account can use to protect their wealth. And I'm not talking about something complicated or risky. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement account, so it's not subject to the same volatility as stocks or bonds. I get it. You've worked hard to build your savings. You don't want to see it erode in the face of financial uncertainty. You want something you can count on, something that will last. That's why a gold IRA is worth considering, because it's not just about wealth preservation, it's about peace of mind. It's about making sure your future is secure, no matter what happens with the economy. And here's the best part. There's no obligation. I'm offering you a free Gold IRA guide and a no-pressure one-on-one call to help you understand if this is the right move for you. This isn't a sales pitch, just straight educational advice from someone who knows the ins and outs of protecting retirement wealth. If a Gold IRA makes sense for your situation, we'll talk about the next steps. If it doesn't, no problem. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just valuable information to help you make an informed decision. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and replace that uncertainty with a reliable, secure plan, click the link below to get your free Gold IRA guide. This is for serious Americans who want to make sure their savings last for generations to come. Your hard work deserves protection. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your wealth today.